In this video, we'll be taking a look at a case of a teenage girl who had a nervous breakdown because she got arrested. Let's get right into it. A cop pulled over these girls because they were speeding. They said they were sorry, and the cop asked the driver to pop the trunk and get out of the vehicle because he thought he saw beer back there. And when she did pop the trunk, that was exactly what he saw. As they were handing him their identifications, one of them revealed that her parents were in the military. What's interesting is that the driver immediately started crying as if she knew she was going to be in trouble. Then we learned that she didn't bring her license, which is why the cop ordered her to get out of the vehicle.
Hello, how are you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Pull you over because I got a speed of 68, the speed limit is 50 here.
Oh, yes, sir.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Can you pop the trunk and get out of the vehicle, please? There's like beer in the back, I think. Yes. Okay. Wow, look at this. Are you in the military?
Yeah.
You are?
Well, no, my parents are.
Oh.
They both are military, so they're twins.
You too?
It's okay, Ashley, don't cry. It's okay.
But do you have a license?
No, sir, she didn't bring her license.
Okay, go ahead and leave me in the back, please.
When the driver left the car, the cop asked her right away if she had been drinking because everybody smelled of alcohol and she denied it. He then wanted to check her eyes because they were very red, and she said that it was because of the crying and agreed to do the test. Once he was done, he told her that he saw alcohol in her eyes. He was referring to her bloodshot eyes. That can be the result of drinking too much alcohol. This was why he told her that he wanted her to do 2 more tests. He asked her if she was on any medication, and she said that she wasn't on any other medications except for the birth control. Then he gave her instructions for the finger count test. When she was finished with that, she performed the numbers backwards test and then the fingers to nose test.
It's okay, Ashley.
Have you been drinking? That's the question, because everybody smells like alcohol in there.
No, like I've been with DD since the desert.
Okay, I would like to check your eyes, because your eyes are very red. Okay? And you got too much beer in there. Huh? No, the crying is one thing. The alcohol is something else. Okay?
Yeah.
I can understand the crying part.
Here's my eyes.
Okay, so can I check your eyes real quick?
Yeah,
Okay. Just stand right here facing me. Okay. I see alcohol in your eyes. Okay?
Oh, my eyes.
I see alcohol in your eyes. So this is what I want to do 2 more tests. Okay? Have you had any medication or any drugs today?
No, I only take birth control and I had that last night.
Okay. So this is what we're going to do. Get your right hand or your left hand. I don't care which one. Okay, you're gonna repeat with me. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing 5 times. Ready?
4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3.
How many times was that?
5.
5? Okay. You're gonna start counting from number 3. Just and loud so I can hear you, okay? From 3 to 42.
So I start from 3 and
3
then,
to
okay,
42
so
and then 42 to 3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40, 41, 42, and then I count backwards. Okay, so 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
When I say right, you're gonna grab your right hand and you're gonna touch your nose. When I say left, you're gonna grab your left hand and you're gonna touch your nose. Okay? So I'm gonna give you a little left, right, and you're gonna do that with your eyes closed. Okay? So close your eyes. Okay? Right. Right. Left. Okay.
After she was done with all the tests, the cop concluded that she was drinking alcohol, but that she wasn't intoxicated. She was still denying it. And she even said that she wasn't even aware that there was alcohol at the back of her trunk. The cop stopped her right there and told her that she must have been aware of that because it was her car. He then went on to explain her 2 options. The first one being towing her car, and the second one being writing them tickets and calling their parents, and she picked option 2.
Understand that you're 18 years old and you shouldn't be in possession of alcohol?
Yeah, I do, but
And
like...
there's a note of alcohol from you too. Okay?
Yeah, but honestly,
I'm not saying you're intoxicated.
I wasn't aware that
I don't think you're intoxicated.
in the back of my car.
No, you were aware because that's your car and they had to open the trunk to put it in there. So you were aware.
It was unlocked when we were at the desert.
Okay. I'm going to give you 2 options, okay? My first option, you're underage, you smell like alcohol, and there's beer in your car. I can arrest you. That's one option. And I can tow your car. That's still one option, okay? Option 2, I can give you guys tickets call your parents, and they come and get your car. You all leave with tickets, and that's it. That's option 2. So you tell me which one do you want.
Take option 2. My phone's in the car.
Okay, go. You can go get it. Okay. All you guys have cell phones, right?
Yes.
So you need to call. Okay, you guys need to call your parents, and they need to come pick you guys up.
When the cop approached the car again, he told the girls that he was going to talk to each of their parents, and one of them told him that her parents were already on their way.
Okay, you guys need to call your parents, and they need to come pick you guys up. What's that?
Her parents come, but my parents aren't answering.
If I can talk to your parents over the phone, yes. But I need to talk to either mom or your dad over the phone. Yes.
Call your parents so you can talk to them. On the
Yes,
phone.
I need to talk to each of you guys' parents. If somebody else is going to pick you up, you can do that, but I need to talk to your parents. Okay? So you have some time to call your parents, okay?
Yeah, my parents are already on the way.
Yeah? Okay.
As soon as you can.
Okay.
The cop went to the back of the car, and this was where 2 girls started protesting. The cop tried to shut them off and told one of them to keep her friend in the car, or else she was going to get arrested, and then continued to take pictures of all the alcohol that was in the trunk. The cop then went on to explain that if they were just speeding without any beer in the trunk and odor of alcohol, he would have just given them tickets. Then he told them that none of them were 21, hence they weren't old enough to buy beer, and one of them told him that someone who was 21 bought them beer.
Fine. I don't know.
You were
why.
going-
I
you-
can't take the car.
Let me explain. You were
I have a
going
genuine question for you.
almost 20 miles over the posted speed. Do you think that's
Yeah,
normal?
I understand that. Actually,
Yes.
people.
What's your question? Huh?
I genuinely understand that I was going.
Keep her in the car because she's going to get arrested. Young girl, you're going to get arrested, okay? Just stay in the car.
I genuinely understand. Like I was going over speed.
Yes.
But-
That's just a ticket. Look, if you would have been just speeding and no beer in the car, no odor of alcohol inside, perfect. I'll just give you a ticket and maybe a break. Okay? But there's other stuff and there's odor of alcohol. You guys are not even 21. Anybody 21 to buy the beer in the car? Do you have anybody 21?
Well, someone 21 bought us the beer.
Of course. Yes.
So just stop, please. Just stop.
Somebody 21 had to buy it.
Yeah,
What was that?
I understand that, sir. I understand that, sir. So someone coming right now.
Then the mother of the 2 twin girls arrived and told the cop that she could take them. While the other twin was getting out of the car, the other girl from the car told the cop that her mom wasn't coming because she had a doctor's appointment. The next thing you know, the guy from the car asked if he could drive his mom's car. At first, the cop told him that was okay, but he then changed his mind and told them that none of them could drive because there was alcohol in the car. One of the girls then swooped in and asked the cop how he could know they were drunk because the cans were empty. The other girl tried to calm her down, but she just continued to talk, which is why the cop had to put her in his car.
Someone coming right now. They're gonna drive the car. They're gonna drive the vehicle, and then we'll be able to leave with tickets.
Yes, with tickets.
I can take the 2 girls.
Okay, just give me a second. I need to
They're
talk to another one. Okay. You're the other twin?
Yes.
Okay, come on.
Want to talk to my mom?
Is she coming or no?
No, she's at a doctor.
Can you drop something? Okay, I'll talk to your mom in a minute.
Okay, well.
Okay.
How's your mom going to drive her car?
The car situation. Like,
Somebody needs to come get the car, an adult.
okay, yeah, so my mom can drive
Or somebody 18. It doesn't
it.
matter.
Yeah,
Well, we're 18.
so my mom can drive it and I can drive her car? Is that cool?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Actually, no, because you were in the car. Actually, none of you guys can drive
None of us.
because there's alcohol in the car. That's
even,
why.
even if
You
I
guys are
have a
just going to have
license?
to leave the car
No, no, no,
here
no,
and
no.
then come and get it.
Let's
That's
just try to
the
get
best.
somebody. Let's try to get
Yeah,
somebody to
it's
come
'cause-
get
yeah,
the
but
car.
my mom's coming with her car and no one can drive this, so she's gonna drive it, and her car, like, who's gonna drive her car? Can I drive
You
her
can
car?
drive your. You can
My
drive
mom's,
your
my mother's car.
The reason why I'm calling your
drive it.
parents is because none of you guys can drive. There's alcohol in the car and you guys work.
But how do you know that we're
Okay.
drunk? It's empty cans, sir. I'm sorry, but it's empty cans, sir.
Stop, please.
No, I'm sorry. There's no proof of full cans. How, no, no,
Come
no,
here. Come here.
no.
Come here.
I'm just, sir. I'm just asking you. a
Tired of you,
question.
okay? You argue too much, you're gonna get in my car. Yes, yes,
No,
yes.
sir.
Get in
I'm
the
just
car.
asking you a question.
Sit down in the back.
Sir, I'm just asking you
down
a
in the back.
question.
Sit down in the back.
No.
The cop then told her that she was going to go to jail, and she started begging him not to arrest her. To which the cop replied that she was the only one arguing and giving him a hard time. The cop then told the others that she would take that girl to jail. The mom tried to explain that she was just asking questions, but the cop explained to her that the girl was very rude. He told them that they were the ones asking questions, but the girl actually crossed the line. The mom then asked the cop if she could pick up the car as she lives 10 minutes from there, and he told her that he was going to tow the car if she didn't come back in 10 minutes. She then told him that it would take her at least 20 minutes, and that was okay with him. Then, one of the girls wanted to know where he would be taking Kaylee, which is the name of the girl in the car, and he told her that he was going to take her to the detention center. Then the girl was trying to talk some sense into Kaylee, telling her not to argue. But Kaylee just wouldn't listen, and said that she couldn't do that. The cop then told the other girls to go, because he could arrest them too.
No, I'm just asking you a question. Asking you a question.
You're gonna be under arrest and you're gonna go to jail.
No, no,
Yes.
please,
No, you are.
Please, please, sir,
You are.
please.
You are the only one.
Please,
The
sir,
only
I'm
one
asking
arguing
you a
and giving me. No, you're not asking a question.
Sir,
No.
Please, please, sir, please.
Okay. Young girl, you're in the middle. Yes, come here. Stand right here. She's gonna be placed under arrest. I'm taking her. I am taking her. Okay.
Just for asking a question?
No, she's being actually kind of rude and arguing the whole time.
She was asking a question.
No, you're asking questions.
I'm asking.
She's asking questions. They've been asking questions. There's a different question. There's questions, and there's getting over, like too much.
But do you think she crossed the line, sir?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I'm not disrespecting any of you guys.
Yeah, no, yeah.
I'm talking to you like a person.
Yeah.
I'm not even yelling at you guys.
Hey, Kaylee.
I'm trying to explain.
Don't stand on the
I'm trying to explain the reasons why I pull you over, the reasons why you're getting tickets. I'm not arresting any of you guys. I'm giving you guys tickets instead.
Yeah, we totally understand.
And I've been explaining.
Oh, yeah, and we've been trying to work with this process. Like,
Kaylee,
I told her, I gave her a warning
look at me.
earlier. She was yelling at me, and I said, "Girl, just." I said, "Please." I gave her a warning already. Okay. There's only so much that I can do.
Ashley.
She's gonna go. She's gonna go.
I live 10 minutes away. Can I not come back and get the car?
I'll tell you what. If you're not back in 10 minutes, I'm gonna tow the car. Well, you said 10 minutes. Give me a time.
I'm trying, sir.
Give me a
I
realistic
guess it's
time.
20 minutes because I got to go home and then I got to come back with another driver.
But this is okay. Okay, I can release the car to somebody who's not the owner.
Sure.
Okay.
Ashley, you need
Just get in somebody's car, please.
Everyone get in my mom's car.
your mom.
Just get in. Just get in the car.
May I ask, what prison are you going to be taking her to?
Las Cruces, Doña Ana County Detention Center.
Tell your mom that right now so she can get Kaylee when she gets there. Please, Ashley. The Las Cruces County
The
Detention.
Doña Ana County Detention Center.
Text your mom that right now, Ashley. Listen to me, Kaylee. Don't argue. Kaylee, look at me. Don't argue, Kaylee.
Hey, can you guys go over there, please? Because I can still take both of you guys, okay? Please go to the car.
Then the cop got Kaylee's mom on the phone, and she was fine with that other woman taking her car. She then begged the cop to let her daughter go and even told him that she would be punished. But the cop stood his ground and said that he would be taking her to that detention center and that she could pick her up later that day.
I'm done with you guys. That's why I gave you guys your copies. Okay. Sylvia.
Yes.
Okay, is it okay for
Michelle.
Michelle to take your car?
Absolutely.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, I know. I absolutely.
Okay, is your daughter one of the people that I arrested?
Yes.
I guess I don't know, just somebody told me you
Okay.
couldn't arrest them and now you arrested
Yes,
her. Is
yes.
there any way you can let her go?
No. No, but she's going to be going to Las Cruces, to the county jail in Cruces. You guys can probably pick her up later today.
But, can you do me a favor? I'm a
Yes.
physician. I'm in the middle of the VA.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm seeing patients.
Okay.
And is there any way you can let it slide? I know, and she will be punished. Trust me.
No, ma'am, I'm sorry.
Please.
I'm letting the other people go, but she's not
But
going.
please let her go.
She will not go, okay? But you can take the car, ma'am. You can take the car.
He's done talking to you.
Okay.
But is there any way that maybe you could have a conversation?
Then the guy from the car tried to get this cop to let Kaylee go with a warning. But the cop was having none of it, saying that his kids aren't allowed to yell at him. He then demonstrated what would have happened to his kids if they yelled at him and told the guy that he would tell them to go to their room. He then added that he couldn't do that to Kaylee, but that he could arrest her. Kaylee might have crossed the line with all the yelling and arguing, but this cop was obviously on a power trip, especially given what he had just said.
There's just no way.
You guys are not my kids.
No, of course not.
I shouldn't have conversations with you. I'm explaining the best.
But it's because I honestly like.
You know, if my kids start yelling at me, boom, guess what?
Yeah.
They're going to her room. Their room. I can't do that to you guys, but I can do this.
But I think it's fairly a little harsh because you gave her her a warning, but I don't think it was a direct warning.
No, I said stay in your car.
No,
quiet.
but it's
That's
just
not
like
a direct warning.
You're kind of telling like all of us like make her
No,
stay
none of you
inside.
guys were doing nothing really. You guys are being respectful, and I appreciate it.
No. You're doing a fine job, sir. Sure you have it. I'm just new to this.
I'll tell you the difference between you and her. It's, I can talk to you and you can throw a joke and I'm okay. The way you say it's not you say. I'm a funny guy too. I like to have fun. I told you guys, all I'm not gonna do is gonna give you tickets and you guys are good to go. As long as I talk to your parents, you guys are good to go. I mean, that's an explanation.
So if I were to get arrested, like how would it happen for me? Like what's gonna be harder for her?
Harder is to be behind the car. That's the hard part. And then she's gonna have to get booked, fingerprint, picture. It's different, right?
Yes, but she can go like in like a cell now, right?
Yeah, she's she's arrested, just like everybody else. Yep.
After a whole lot of explaining, the guy's mom showed up and the cop went on to show her what was in the car. He also told her that everybody should have been arrested. But instead, he only arrested one girl. He added that the minor possession of alcoholic beverages was the charge. The cop then told them to leave, and they did just that.
It's tough, right?
It is tough, but I don't.
It is tough.
I think it's.
Hello?
How are you?
Yeah, is this your son?
This is my son.
Okay, well let me show you first of all what I found in this car, okay? They all had odor of alcohol. And they finished one case, 2 cases. There's all them. There's not even a closed one. They're all empty. Okay? So he got a ticket for open containers because they shouldn't be around any alcoholic beverages. They're not 21. Okay? Everybody should have got arrested today. Instead, I gave them tickets. I arrested one person. Okay? But that's the reason. Minor in possession of alcoholic beverages, that's the charge. So,
Drop these kids off and then I'll turn around.
but you can go.
I can
You
leave.
can, yeah.
And I can give you some paper for Martinez. It's just thank you. So I didn't think it was that out of my business. Why are you taking her to see?
But she was disrespectful.
Oh, I see.
She was the only one yelling at me and
Yeah, I guess because
nonsense.
she was driving and got
No, she wasn't driving.
Oh, she
No,
wasn't
she was in the back seat. But everybody's like calm. They're asking questions, which is normal. I'm answering questions. I'm talking just like I'm talking to you. But she's the one
Yes.
running her mouth.
Is there any way you can give her a warning?
No. So I gave her warnings.
I don't think.
You guys can go, please.
You did. I
Please.
just feel bad for the young.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate your help.
Yes. You too. So let me have your phone. Let me have what's that? Right there. I have your purse. I'm gonna put this in the front seat.
The cop then got inside his car and back to Kaylee, and she continued to beg him. This time she needed to use the restroom. The cop told her how she could do that, but she wasn't okay with it. He then repeated that he was going to take her to jail, and she just continued to say just how sorry she was. She wanted to know what she did wrong, and the cop just told her that she was going to have to work on her anger management. The cop then got her mom on the phone, and she started complaining to her. She straight up lied to her by saying she was in handcuffs. But her mom tried to talk some sense into her, basically saying that she shouldn't have argued with the cop. She wanted her mom to explain to her why she got arrested, as she didn't say one bad word to the cop, and reminded her that she wasn't driving. Her mom tried to calm her down, but she just went on and on about being scared and urged her mom to come and get her as soon as possible. To which her mom said that she just needed to shut up and told her that there wasn't anything she could do.
Oh my God, I really have to go. I'm sorry if I go in here. I'm so sorry.
Well, if you go, you're gonna have to clean it. I'll have you clean it.
Huh?
If you go, you're gonna have to clean it.
I'm not gonna pay.
Oh.
I can't go out there. Then what can I do? Can you please just watch me then, if anything?
Like, where would you go? Where do you want to
Sir,
go?
I really have to go. Sir.
Where? Tell me where.
Just anywhere. I just really have to go.
I'll open the door and I'll get in my car. Look, this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna get in the car. You do it right here.
I
Make sure.
Go. I'll just wait until we're there.
I thought you needed the restroom.
No,
'Cause-
I don't want to go in front of everybody.
Well, I mean,
Can
I don't.
Please call my mom and say that
Did you already call your mom?
I already did.
You did,
No, I need to call my mom.
but you did. Didn't you call your mom?
No.
I was talking to your mom. She's a practitioner or something.
No, she's
like a nurse or
not.
something, right?
Can I at least talk to my mom? Like, can you please?
What do you
like,
need?
I'm sorry for having an attitude with you, sir. Like, I just really want to get out of here.
You can't get out of here right now.
No, I know I'm not.
If you want to
getting
use the
out right
restroom,
now.
look, go behind the bushes. I'll wait here. I mean, I don't know where else.
So we can't leave it to this
I
person.
can't leave until we pick it
So
up.
I'm going to jail.
Yes, you are. I told you. You're under arrest. Actually, I'm gonna put cuffs in you before we go. I have to put
Why,
handcuffs.
sir? Why? I'm sorry, sir.
Because that's just the law. I don't make the law.
What did I do, sir?
You don't know what you did?
No, please tell me, sir. What did I do? Put me under cuffs. What did I do?
You might want to have to work on your anger management.
Can you please put my mom on the phone while you're on call with her, please?
Here. But you had your phone the whole time in the back
I'm just
seat.
confused why you're putting me under arrest, though.
Because you were the only one. Look, the
No, I'm
tickets.
very
The tickets.
confused. I didn't drive
Okay.
the thing or anything.
The tickets-
I don't know what I did, sir.
Okay, the tickets I gave to everybody are arrestable offenses. All of them. All you guys.
Why was I only the one that got
Because you're the one with the
arrested?
attitude.
But I'm sorry, sir.
You're the one with the
I'm
attitude,
sorry,
and
but
they were
why
not.
did I had to be in handcuffs. I wasn't even driving, sir.
I didn't say you were driving.
No. Mom, I'm in handcuffs and I didn't do anything, Mom.
You're not in
This
handcuffs.
cop is putting me in handcuffs for not even doing anything, Mom. I didn't do anything, Mom.
Kaylee, you need to be quiet. You should have listened to him.
No, but Mom, I'm putting in handcuffs and I did nothing, Mom. Please, I don't know what I did.
Kaylee, you were smart mouthing him.
But why am I put in handcuffs? I didn't even say anything insulting to the police officer. I didn't say one bad word or anything bad, Mom. Why am I put in handcuffs?
Kaylee,
Mom, I'm asking you, why am I put in handcuffs if I said nothing insulting to the police officer?
Kaylee, you got yourself in this.
Mom, does he have the right to put me in handcuffs when I said nothing insulting to the police officer and I did nothing wrong?
Kaylee, if you get arrested, you're going to be put in handcuffs. That's
But
it.
Mom, what did I do though? I didn't say one bad word to the police officer and I didn't even drive the car.
Kaylee, you didn't have to. But you were sassy and he had enough.
But why does he have to arrest me when I wasn't even driving?
Kaylee, it has nothing
Mom,
to do
please
with it.
come get me soon. I'm scared, Mom, please. Mom, please. Mom, please come get me soon. I'm scared, Mom, please. I did nothing. I didn't even say anything bad to him. I just said, why are you arresting us? That's all I said, and he put me in handcuffs.
That's what you have to do. That's
No, Mom, that's not fair. I did nothing to with him.
If you don't listen to me, you're just like when you were with the cop. You don't listen, you don't shut up.
Mom, please, I'm scared. Please, Mom, I need to use the...
You got yourself into that situation.
Mom, are you coming to get the Jeep? Please, Mom, please take me out of here now, please.
The Jeep should be with Miss Michelle.
Mom, please come get me,
I cannot
Mom.
hear you.
Mom, I can't. Mom, can you hear me?
What?
Mom, please come get me. I don't know. No one's grabbing the Jeep. Just please come get me, Mom. I didn't mean to have an attitude. I didn't say anything rude to him.
Kaylee Marie, I'm not.
Mom, I can't hear you. Mom, please. Why does this have to happen to me? Only me.
Because you don't shut up.
Why? Not even the driver. Not even the f***ing driver.
Kaylee, you need to shut up. You need
Just,
to
Mom, please come get me out of here, Mom,
Coming 98,
please.
114, 713.
I'm sorry I had an attitude with the officer, but I never even said a cuss word to him.
No, there's nothing I can do. I asked him already to please let you go.
No, he won't. Just please take me to the jail so they can bail me out, please, sir. Please, sir, I did nothing wrong. Please, sir, please, sir. Mom, can you please ask him? Can you please ask him? Can you call my mom, please?
You wanna go?
Please, just why can't you let me go? I'm a teenager. You don't think teenagers get mad? Mom, please. Mom, please come soon. Please, I'm scared. Mom, please. Mom, I'm shutting up. I just want you to be here with me, Mom. I'm scared. I did nothing wrong, even. I did nothing wrong, and I'm in the police car. Please, Mom.
The cop had enough of Kaylee's crying and went on to explain everything that happened to her mom. She seemed to understand everything and even went on to say that Kaylee was out of control.
Your parents can come and pick you up.
Right.
I'm gonna give you guys tickets instead of arresting all you guys. This young girl was giving me attitude the whole time, and I told her, just please stay quiet, stay in the car, let me deal with each of you guys individually. And then you guys will be good to go. Even her friends told her, just quiet, stay in the car, be quiet, a few times. I came back, I wrote everybody their tickets. When it was your daughter's turn, I was trying to explain, and she started giving me attitude again. I said, you know what? I said, I'm done. I'm done.
Right.
The tickets that I gave everybody, they're arrestable offenses, okay? Everybody should have gone to jail today. Everyone, okay?
Right.
The reason why I didn't arrest everybody is because I can't fit 6-7 people in my car. But I can fit one.
I know.
Okay?
I mean, as I said, I wish you would pardon her. But I mean, what can I do? I'm taking off of work early. My patients are now being left alone. I just can't help it. But I mean, I don't know if I can drive and get her right now. I will do that because I'm leaving work right now.
Kaylee's mom then asked the cop if she could pick up Kaylee, but he said no, and added that she could pick up from the detention center later that day. While he was telling her that, you can see Kaylee kicking the police car, basically having a nervous breakdown back there.
So you can pick her up in Las Cruces later tonight.
But what do you mean by later tonight? So what is exactly going to happen with her? I mean, you are booking her?
She's getting booked, yes. She's getting booked.
And we have to bail her out?
I don't think so. They'll give her a court date at the jail.
When the cop realized that Kaylee was kicking the car, he got her out and put her in cuffs.
Out of here. No. Stop.
Get out.
Stop.
Get out. Get out. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Please, no,
You're not gonna hurt yourself, okay?
no, please. I just want to get out of here, please.
You're gonna hurt yourself, and that's what's gonna happen. You're gonna hurt yourself, okay?
I don't want to.
And I'm not gonna let that happen.
Please, sir, please. I just want to be out of here. Sir, please.
Stand up. Stand up.
Sir, please.
Stand up.
Please, sir. I just want to be out of here, sir.
I should have put you in cuffs the first time. Do I need to tie you?
Please, sir. Just
Why are you hitting yourself?
because I don't even want to be here.
It doesn't matter.
Then he put her back in the car and told her that if he heard her kicking the car one more time, that he was going to add an extra charge.
If you hit my car, if I hear one bang, I'm gonna add extra charges, just so you know. I'm gonna add extra charges, okay? Your mom will pick you up later, but not right now. Later. She will pick you up.
I just want to go home now.
You will be going home later. You will.
Why later? What did I do to deserve this? What did I do, sir? Just please, sir. Why can't I go home now? Please, sir. Can I please?
She calmed herself down indeed. Or at least she didn't kick anything. She told the cop that she was studying law and wanted to know the exact reason why she got arrested. And the cop told her that the charge was minor possession of alcohol, and then told her that his name was Gustavo. Then the woman arrived to pick up the car, and she too wanted to know what the charge would be, and he told her that the charge was the same as for everybody else, and then went on to explain that he didn't arrest her for being disrespectful, as that wasn't a crime. The woman understood everything, saying that Kaylee went over the line and lost her opportunity to get away with just a ticket. And the cop confirmed that was indeed the case.
So I want to know why you exactly arrested me, sir.
Minor in possession of alcoholic
Yeah, but
beverages.
yet
That's the
driver
charge.
was in minor possession.
That's the charger. That's the charge.
But yet I got arrested.
That's the charge.
Because of attitude?
That's the charge.
Okay, then. Okay, thank you.
The charge is minor in possession of alcoholic
Thank you, sir.
beverages.
What's your name?
Avinia.
What's it?
Gustavo.
Gustavo what?
Yes, Gustavo.
Gustavo what?
Avinia.
Ramirez? What is it?
Right there. It's right there.
Gustavo what?
Look. Really, right there.
No, yeah, I know I'm being recorded.
It's right there.
I
Yeah.
know, I don't.
I raised my name, Gustavo Avinia.
What's your full name?
That's my name. I told you my full name already. For the car?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, you guys can go. Even I
So
thought.
what will she be charged with?
It's the same charge.
Oh, it's the same.
It's the same charge.
I
There's nothing different.
see. Okay.
I mean, for being disrespectful, it's not a charge.
I see.
You can tell me whatever you want. I
see.
can't arrest you for that.
I understand.
You have to commit a crime.
Okay, she just kind of pushed a little bit too far and lost her
Exactly.
opportunity to get away with just a
Exactly.
ticket. I got
Exactly.
it.
Then the ambulance arrived and they checked up on Kaylee and basically told the cop that she was dehydrated and that her blood sugar had dropped. The woman also said that she would need orange juice or something when she got to jail. After they were done with that, the cop got inside the vehicle and drove Kaylee to the detention center.
Her blood sugar is 69. She really needs like a orange juice or something like that when she gets to the jail or processing or wherever the next step is.
Okay, yeah.
Just because she's drank all day, but she has so something like that.
Okay. She's probably dehydrated.
Water's, make yourself a better deal, okay?
Thank you.
Le sirvió.
¿Ah?
Pero dale que le haga.
Vale, pues.